Small reader, big possibilities. Accept credit cards from a smartphone or tablet with the pocket-sized square reader and run your business anywhere it takes you. No charging necessary. Square reader fits right in your pocket, with no battery to keep charged. You can still swipe payments in offline mode without an internet connection for the usual flat rate per swipe. Serious security. Square conducts live risk monitoring on every transaction and encrypts card information the moment it's swiped. Clear rates, fast transfers. Pay just 2.6% plus 10 cents per swipe for Visa, Mastercard, Discover, and American Express, with no monthly fees and no long-term commitments. See transfers in your account as soon as the next business day. Fast setup, no long-term commitments. Download the Square Point of Sale app, plug in Square Reader for magstripe, and you're ready to start selling. No long-term contracts or complicated instructions required. Swipe all major credit and debit cards securely and accurately with the card reader. Swipe payments without an internet connection in offline mode at the same low rate. Powered by the free Square Point of Sale app. Square Point of Sale is a free app that gives you everything you need to do business. Ring up customers, send or print receipts, and accept tips with an intuitive checkout experience. Make smarter business decisions with real-time inventory and sales reporting. Add Square Reader for contactless and chip to accept more ways to pay. With Square Reader for contactless and chip, you connect wirelessly to your device to accept contactless payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay and chip cards. Square Reader for magstripe is included in the box, so you're ready to accept every way your customers want to pay. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. This was purchased for my mom who was exhibiting her creations at a local craft event. This made it super easy for her to accept credit cards, and I am sure it saved her from losing potential sales, especially the higher priced items. Easy to set up and use right out of the box. She even received the full price refund once it was set up. So, this device was actually free of cost. You just pay the reasonable fees when used.